Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Remedy Garden. You know, they say laughter is the best medicine, unless you have a sunburn. In that case, it's aloe vera. Stick around to find out the best natural remedies for those sizzling sunburns. Sunburns can be really uncomfortable, but there are some fantastic natural remedies that can help ease the pain and speed up the healing process. Let's dive in. Aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is an effective natural remedy for sunburns due to its anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and cooling properties. It contains compounds like glycoproteins and polysaccharides that reduce inflammation and promote healing, while its high water content hydrates the skin and prevents peeling. The gel provides immediate cooling relief, reduces pain, and accelerates skin repair by promoting collagen and elastin production. Its antiseptic agents prevent infections, and vitamins A, C, and E help repair and protect the skin. To use, cut a fresh aloe vera leaf, extract the gel, and apply it directly to the sunburned area, reapplying several times a day. For store-bought gel, choose a pure product without added irritants. Always do a patch test for allergies, stay hydrated, and avoid further sun exposure. Oatmeal. Oatmeal helps soothe sunburns due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When applied to the skin, oatmeal can reduce redness and irritation, relieve itching, and moisturize dry, damaged skin. To use, grind oatmeal into a fine powder and add it to a lukewarm bath. Soak for about 20 minutes to allow the oatmeal to calm and heal the sunburned skin. Oatmeal's natural compounds help restore the skin's protective barrier and provide relief from sunburn discomfort. Honey. Honey helps soothe sunburns with its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It keeps the skin moisturized, reduces swelling, and promotes faster healing by creating a protective barrier over the damaged area. To use, apply a thin layer of raw honey directly to the sunburn, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse off with cool water. Honey's antioxidants and nutrients aid in repairing the skin and relieving discomfort from sunburn. Yogurt. Yogurt helps soothe sunburns with its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in probiotics and lactic acid, yogurt reduces redness, moisturizes the skin, and promotes healing. To use, apply plain unsweetened yogurt directly to the sunburned area. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Yogurt's natural enzymes and nutrients help repair and calm the skin, providing relief from sunburn discomfort. A cucumber. Cucumber helps soothe sunburns with its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. High in water content and antioxidants, cucumber hydrates the skin, reduces redness, and alleviates pain. To use, blend a cucumber into a paste and apply it to the sunburned area. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Cucumber's natural compounds help repair and refresh sunburned skin, providing quick relief from discomfort. Remember, while these natural remedies can help soothe sunburn, it's always best to prevent sunburns in the first place by using sunscreen and staying in the shade. If you have a severe sunburn or if you're in a lot of pain, be sure to seek medical attention. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Natural Remedy Garden for more natural health tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time.